This is why I like having my cabbages and broccolis go to seed, not only so that I can gather the seeds, but so that the bees can benefit from the blossoms. And this right here is Chinese cabbage. And you might say, oh, but you didn't get to eat the head. Well, what we've been doing, look at all, they're getting some really pretty, their pollen baskets are, let me see if she'll let me, she's got a little pollen. She's gathering a little pollen. But for the most part, the way Dan and I ate it was we just took and we kept trimming leaves off the bottom. And as you can tell, we still have some more meals on here. And I'm going to harvest some more probably today while the girls get to benefit their part of it. And I'm sure these would be delicious for human consumption as well, but I'd rather have my bees get it.